2017 Toyota Corolla Sport AC condenser replacement. Before you start this job, I highly suggest that you take this vehicle to a shop to get it evacuated, meaning the refrigerant have to be recovered by a machine like this. I don't expect the DIY guy to have a special tool like this. It is very expensive, so I highly suggest you take it to a shop to get it evacuated so you don't let the refrigerant go into the atmosphere. We're gonna let the machine do its thing, and in the meantime I'm going to remove those two 12 millimeters. That's what hold the radiator, the condenser, and the coolant fan in place. So remove these two 12 millimeters and take the bracket off like I'm doing right now, so you have more room. And now we're gonna remove those two 10 millimeter. That's a cover that hold all those three parts in place. It's held by two 10 millimeter. And let's remove our coolant hose that goes behind the cooling fan, and let's pop the cover off. Here it is. Our AC condenser is free. I only had 0.9 kilogram. That's very low. The system hold about 0.45 kilogram. So let's remove our AC condenser hose. There is a high side and the low side. Both of them are held by 10 millimeter. Let's take them off. And we go them out, and there will be some resistance to it, but eventually they will come out. And our condenser is ready to come out. Here it is. Let's throw in the trash. That's the leaking point. It was leaking at the receiver dryer, so we just replace the whole condenser. And guys, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And let's put our we need to transfer the old parts from the old one to the new one. Put those rubber pieces. There is 4 of them on each end of the condenser. Replace them. There it is. Bye bye to the old condenser. Let's put our condenser in. There is 2 holes at the bottom of the regular support. That's where the AC condenser will be seated, with the 2 grommets that you see me remove at the bottom of it. That's where it will be seated. Put our AC line in, and put the cover back on. Pop the coolant hose in place. We do the support in. Okay. There is an O-ring at the AC line. Make sure you replace them. There should be 2 of them on each one, the high side and the low side. I highly recommend that you use it. And that's it, guys. Let the machine do its thing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, guys.